Here you will learn how to transfer data from a Sony Xperia to a Huawei Android phone in 5 effective ways. Part 1. How to transfer data from Sony Xperia to Huawei via Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. Step 1. Download Coolmuster Mobile. Transfer on your computer and then install and open it. Step 2. Connect your Sony Xperia and Huawei phones to computer using 2 USB cables. Follow the on-screen steps to let the software detect your devices. After detecting, make sure that your Sony Xperia is the source phone and Huawei phone is the designation phone. You can click flip to switch if the positions are incorrect. Step 3. You can see all the data types that can be transferred are displayed on the screen. Make sure to select the contents you need to transfer, and then click Start Copy to transfer data from Sony Xperia to Huawei phone. Part 2. How to transfer data from Sony Xperia to Huawei via phone clone. Step 1. Install phone clone on both your Sony Xperia and Huawei phone and then open it. Step 2. Select This is the new phone on your Huawei phone, and tap This is the old phone on Sony Xperia. Step 3. When a QR code will appear on your Huawei phone, use your Sony Xperia to scan it to establish the connection. Step 4. After connecting, you can select the data you want to transfer on your Sony Xperia, and click Send Data to start the transfer. You will see the notice Transfer Complete after the process is over. Part 3. How to transfer data from Sony Xperia to Huawei via Coolmuster Android Assistant. Step 1. Install and run Coolmuster Android Assistant on your computer. Plug Sony Xperia and Huawei phone into computer with USB cables. Follow the prompts to get your phones detected by the software. Step 2. After the software detects your devices, select your Sony phone and then click the data type you want. Select the items you need to move. Click Export on top to save them on PC. Step 3. Select your Huawei phone and then go to the same data type. This time, click on the Import button. Choose the files you just exported from Sony phone to PC. Click Open to copy them to Huawei phone. Part 4. How to transfer data from Sony Xperia to Huawei using Google Drive. By the way, if you cannot use Google services on Huawei phone, you can install Gbox first. Step 1. Download the Google Drive app on both your Sony and Huawei phones. Step 2. Open Google Drive on your Sony Xperia and log in with your Google account. After that, click the plus icon, tap Upload, select the wanted files and upload them to Google Drive. Step 3. Now switch to your Huawei phone and log into Google Drive with the same account. You can then view and download the files from Sony Xperia to Huawei phone. Part 5. How to send files from Sony Xperia to Huawei via Bluetooth. Step 1. Enable Bluetooth on both Sony and Huawei phones via Settings, then pair the two devices. Step 2. Open the Contacts app on your Sony phone and then tap the menu icon. Select Import or Export Share Name Card via. Choose the desired contacts, tap the Bluetooth option, select Huawei device. The selected contacts from Sony Xperia will be sent to Huawei phone via Bluetooth. Step 3. On your Huawei device, tap Accept to receive the files.